Yeah. Your Excellency, Karibu Nyumbani. Karibu Nyumbani. This is State Department of Housing and Urban Development. Your Excellency, the seat you are sitting on and all the furnitures you see around, they've been made by our local Juakari. So apart from the four walls and the roof of Your Excellency, we're also creating employment and work for our Kenyans. And Your Excellency, to access the affordable housing project, you go through Boma Yangu platform. This is a state-owned developed platform, and but managed through eCitizen. Your Excellency, to register, you go through a code, USSD code, *832#, and from that registration, Your Excellency, now you are able to save and eventually be allocated a house. With us here, Your Excellency, we have two Kenyans who have gone through that process, Jemima and Joseph, and I wanted them to do a real-time allocation where Jemima has saved about, she'll tell us how much she has saved, and Joseph also will tell us how much he has saved, and today they are going to be proud owners of houses at Starehe project. So, the backlog. No, the Starehe. Yes, under construction. Yes. They are booking. Yes, they are booking. Yes. So,
Your Excellency, thank you so much. My name's Alejemima Nyaboke Lachami. I come from Kisii. Kisii, we are privileged, we have the soft-stone cabins. So I started doing the work when I was young, so I know how to do the smaller things of the cabins, which attracts the tourists sometimes and the local customers. But most of my customers are the local customers. So when they buy from me, the little money I get, I have 4 kids. I have to pay the school fees for them, and the little I have to save because I was interested in Boma Yangu. Boma Yangu, I like it because I want to own my own house, which is near to town, our city, and as you can see, I'm somehow disabled, so I want somewhere where I'm capable of walking even town, doing like walking alone, and where I can easily reach my customers. So the little I've saved is 413,000, which I think through you, Your Excellency, thanks a lot for what you are doing. Because of this program of saving, I would like to have the Starehe housing 3-bedroom house, which will allow me to meet my family. So that's my...
Already, Your Excellency, she has saved 413,500.
Na hiyo kusave, mtu unachinyima, si ati ni pesa unapata once. Savings means the little you get, you save. As time goes by, you end up getting, it's growing. With time, it's growing. The little time I get, the little money I get from the small business, I save. That's how it has come to 413,500. So, Your Excellency, I'm happy. The challenge I have with my business, which I may say, is because of access of the customers. Most of my things are carved in Kenya, which attracts tourism. I have the problem of exporting because I have a lot of time because it's a family business. Most of my family, they know how to carve and how to do the finishing. So we want to export. The only challenge is reaching the customers, which will buy in big quantities. So to me, Your Excellency, this is not an easy thing. Reaching you, Your Excellency, is not easy. It's a chance, one chance given in life. So I would like you to assist me if I can please the Excellency for Trade, Mr. Kuria. So who is, I think, can access me, how I can reach the tourism people, or I can do my export to foreign countries like European countries, which would like my things because I do them as a loan. And I can even encourage those ones who are disabled like me. When you are disabled, you are not disabled like that. Disability is not an inability. You can save the little you get. Even the Mama Mboga people, you can save the small things. 50 shillings, 100 shillings will make you achieve Boma Yangu house, which will make you change your life completely. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much, Madam Nyaboke. You have said three things here. Number one is this furniture. So you are aware that we have all this furniture that is here. We have decided as a government that all furniture that we are going to be using in Kenya, starting with those we buy as government, must be furniture that is locally made. The Buy Kenya, Build Kenya must have some meaning, number one. And that is why we have said in this year's budget that importing furniture will attract taxes, because we believe we have built enough human capital, enough skills and expertise to be able to make furniture in Kenya that is good quality and that can serve us. That's number one. And I want to encourage Kenyans, wherever they are, you should be able to buy local furniture that is made by our young people, that is made by our entrepreneurs. Number one. Number two, Madam Nyaboke here has said is engaging on this platform of Boma Yangu. And in Boma Yangu, you don't have to know anybody. You don't have to know the PS, you don't have to know the chief, you don't have to know the next guy. It is just by going, what is that USSD number? Star 832 hash. We are telling the people of Kenya, the same way you do star 254 hash to get onto Hustler Fund. You now need, if you are looking for a house, don't look for the chief. Don't look for the assistant chief. Don't look for the member of parliament. Go to your phone, star 832 hash. You will get onto this platform. You will get the places where government is building houses. We will roll out now this exercise in every county and in every constituency. And you are free to choose where you want to buy a house. If you want to buy a house in Nairobi, even if you live outside Nairobi, you can buy a house in Nairobi. If you want to buy a house in Nyamira, even if you come from any other part of the country of Kenya, you can buy a house in any part of the country. This Boma Yangu will not discriminate. It will take you as a Kenyan, and you need to save so that you can buy a house. We are very happy that now Parliament has approved the program that will enable government deliver on this project of housing, so that more Kenyans like Nyaboke here can have access to a house to buy. And we are making those houses affordable. This house that we are building in Starehe is among the affordable houses, but there is a lower category of houses that we are going to have, social houses, that will even be cheaper than this. They have social housing here as well. They also have social housing in this program. So that's very important for us to know, because many Kenyans are asking us, how sure am I that I'm going to get a house? How will I get a house? This is how you get a house under the government's affordable housing program. Hash 832 star 832 hash. You will be there. Begin the process, start the saving, identify the house you want to buy. If it is available, you will, the system will tell you so many houses are available. You can choose which floor, you can choose what type of a house. Are you looking for a social house? Are you looking for a 1-bedroom? Are you looking for a studio? Are you looking for a 3-bedroom? It will all be available there, and you don't have to know anybody. Technology has made it possible for us as an administration to eliminate knowing people, favoritism, corruption, that you have to pay somebody to get what you want. The system has no human interaction. We upload and you will know when the house will be available. You will know how much deposit you need for that house. And now that we have the housing levy, we will not only make these houses a lot more affordable, but there will be a mechanism for you to access a mortgage for us to make it possible for more Kenyans to own homes. I think that is